the top. Let's go, let's go.
Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I'm Khushbu and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you all my budget lipsticks starting from just rupees 250. Yes, 250 rupees only. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's just start the video. So the very first lipstick is going to be this one from Lakme. It's from their 9 to 5 range and it's in the shade Rosy Sunday. I love this lipstick. My love for this one is just beyond this world. I've been using this from I guess 4 years now. Yeah, it's perfect. It has this pink, like very soft and you know that girly pink. Yeah, it has that girly pink color as you can see and I love it. It's so soft, so creamy on the lips and it's in matte. I don't like glossy lipsticks much. I don't know why. It's just perfect. I'll just swatch it for you guys. See? Ignore that. So yeah, on to the second lipstick. So I'm more into nude shades. So as you can see, this lipstick, this is from L'Oreal and it's in the shade Maple Mocha. Yeah, I love it. It's amazing. Actually ये मेरी नहीं है, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा शिद्दत से मांगनी पड़ती है अपनी बहन से. But I love it यार. It's amazing. Again, it's matte. So yeah. See. ये रोजी संडे से थोड़ा सा सिमिलर है बट नॉट दैट सिमिलर. आई गेस इट्स द बेस्ट फॉर मी. सो द थर्ड लिपस्टिक इज दिस वन. इट्स इन ग्लॉसी. एक्चुअली आई बॉट इट 3 years बैक. तब मुझे इतना ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं होती थी कि व्हाट सूट्स मी एंड व्हाट नॉट. सो या बट इट्स स्टिल गुड. लाइक इट्स दिस न्यूड शेड फ्रॉम कलर एसेंस and it's in the shade 34 nude suede and it's just perfect. I'll swatch this also. It's this like very light shade. I don't know ये कैमरा पे कैसा लग रहा है but it's very light, like it's almost kind of a lip balm. So yeah, ये मतलब ऑफिस के लिए बेस्ट है कि आपको इतना कुछ ओवर नहीं करना होता है ना ऑफिस जाने के लिए. तो या इट्स बेस्ट फॉर योर वर्क पर्पस. अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं क्या ढूंढ रही हूँ तो मैं कॉटन ढूंढ रही हूँ इसको क्लीन करने के लिए so that I can apply the next lipstick for you guys. Okay, so the next lipstick, or should I call it the lip gloss, is from Miniso from their Flawless Matte Lip Gloss range and it's in the shade macaron pink. Yes, it's similar to the last one but it's in liquid. So yeah, it's that matte creamy kind of shade which you just, when you just apply it, it like melts on your lips. It's that soft. It's perfect for me. आपको ये मिनीसो पे मिल जाएगी for rupees 250 I guess. Yeah, and I'll show you. ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर ही है वैसे जो पहले हमने इससे पहले लगाई है ना उससे. सी दिस वन या ओके गिव ना जाए. दिस नेक्स्ट वन इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द सेम फ्लॉलेस रेंज ऑफ मिनीसो and it's in the shade okay, I can't find it. It's this wine kind of color. और मेरे को ना डार्क लिपस्टिक्स उतनी ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है तो ये एक मतलब अगर ऐसा मतलब वाइन काइंड ऑफ तुम्हें शेड दे देता है बट इट्स नॉट दैट डार्क विच मेक्स यू लुक लाइक अ वेम्पायर. नो ऑफेंस बट मुझे नहीं पसंद. सॉरी अगर किसी को भी बुरा लगा हो तो. But yeah, it's this, and I'll show you this one. Okay, so the next lipstick is this one from Maybelline. It's in the shade Fuchsia Flash. It's this bullet lipstick and it's matte and it's ये वो जो होता है ना एकदम झटाक वाला कलर वैसा वाला है. तो मतलब when you want to look funky and you want to just experiment with your style, so you can wear this, and it's somewhat like this. See. Okay, so moving on to the next lipstick, which is this one in the shade Cocoa Soft from the Lakme 9 to 5 range. It's their liquid lipstick range. जो मैंने पहले दिखाई थी, that was their bullet lipstick range. It's perfect. It has that smell, that coffee wali smell. It's just perfect. Yeah, it's so creamy on the lips, and it's my favorite. Like really, it's this color. It looks perfect. Like you can see कि ये कितनी मतलब it enhance every feature of yours. Like your face suddenly just have that glow. I don't know, मतलब मेरे को बहुत पसंद है यार ये वाली, so that's why I'm blabbering too much. It's amazing. Okay, so the next lipstick is this one. It's that blood red lipstick which everybody wants कि एक red lipstick तो सबके पास होनी ही चाहिए. और it's this bullet lipstick. मुझे इसकी पैकिंग बहुत पसंद है. I don't know why. It's from the brand 7-Eleven, from their long lasting range, and it's in the shade Red Valentine, and I just love it. It's perfect. और हाँ, मेरे को ना prices सबके अच्छे से याद नहीं है, तो I'll put all the prices on the screen, somewhere on the screen, and जिसके भी मुझे लिंक्स मिल पाएंगे तो आई विल गिव इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. और जिसके नहीं मिल पाएंगे, जैसे कि वो मिनीसो वाली, मिनीसो इज़ नॉट ऑनलाइन, सो या फॉर दैट आई कांट डू एनीथिंग. मैं उसकी पूरी डिटेल्स, उसका नाम वगैरह सब दे दूँगी. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय, सो या दिस रेड लिपस्टिक इज़ दिस वन. Hot red. So the next lipstick is this one. It's kind of a purple, like a very dark purple sort of a shade. It's from the brand Faces Canada, and in the shade Black Currant. It's lovely. मतलब ऐसा पार्टी वाला एकदम. हाँ, थोड़ी ना ड्राई है ये, but it's okay. It's just good. See. Oops, this one. Okay, so the last lipstick is this one from In Color, from their Matte Me range. It's in the shade it's in which shade खुशबू? I don't know, इस पे लिखा नहीं हुआ, but it's the number 415. It's just perfect. ये almost ख़त्म होने वाली है. All the people who know me, they know कि मैंने इस लिपस्टिक को कितना ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है हर एक पार्टी में, हर एक जगह. मतलब this is my go-to lipstick. I love it. It's my absolute favorite. It's also that matte kind of lipstick. Kind of, yeah, it's proper matte lipstick. And it's just amazing. We are done with all our 10 lipsticks. I'll give all the links in the description box in case you want to buy them. And yes, we are done here. See, मेरा हाथ पूरा गंदा हो गया. It's okay, I'll use it for thumbnail. YouTuber things. Okay, so with this we are done with our video. I hope you all liked it, and just please like, share and comment. And yes, just scroll down, you see that red button? Yes, please click it. Please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell icon so that you know whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, with this we are done, and please follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. Everything is in the description box. And I hope you all have a good night. Actually ये रात को मैं शूट कर रही हूँ, तो yeah, I hope you all have a good night and bye bye.